Hello, young explorers. Welcome back to the amazing science adventure. Today, we're venturing to the outermost of the traditional planets in our solar system, Neptune, the beautiful blue ice giant. This distant planet is known for its striking blue color and ferocious winds. Are you ready to dive into the deep mysteries of Neptune and explore what makes this remote giant so fascinating? Join us as we embark on an extraordinary journey to discover the wonders of Neptune, the eighth planet from our Sun. The ice giant. Neptune is often referred to as an ice giant due to its cold composition. It's made up of a mix of water, methane, and ammonia ices under a thick atmosphere of hydrogen, helium, and methane. This composition gives Neptune its beautiful deep blue color. Extreme winds and weather. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. Its atmosphere also features massive storms, the most famous being the Great Dark Spot, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune's ring system. Like Uranus, Neptune also has a ring system, though faint and composed of dark, clumpy particles. These rings were a surprising discovery made by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. The moons of Neptune. Neptune has 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest and most fascinating. Triton is geologically active, with cryovolcanoes that erupt water and ammonia. Interestingly, Triton orbits Neptune in a direction opposite to the planet's rotation. Voyager 2's historic flyby. The Voyager 2 spacecraft, in 1989, provided our only close-up views of Neptune. Its flyby revealed much about Neptune's atmosphere, moons and rings, significantly enhancing our understanding of this distant planet. Mysteries of Neptune. Many aspects of Neptune remain enigmatic, such as the internal heat source that drives its extreme weather and the possibility of an ocean beneath Triton's icy surface. Understanding Neptune is key to learning more about ice giants and the outer solar system. Future missions and exploration. Scientists hope to send future missions to Neptune to study it in greater detail. Such missions could provide insights into the planet's structure, atmosphere, and potentially habitable moons. So, Neptune, the eighth and farthest known traditional planet from our Sun, is more than just a remote ice giant. Its high-speed winds, dynamic weather, intriguing moons, and mysterious nature make it a captivating subject of study and exploration. Join us as we continue to unveil the secrets of this distant and beautiful planet.